Hello and welcome guys. In today's episode we are looking at Bitcoin's recent price action and how analysts are pretty polarized over its next move, as well as a new perspective which suggests that Bitcoin has never been in a bear market. And to round it all off, we'll be looking at altcoins and their potential revival. So remember to like and subscribe and let's get into it. So first up, remember the 2018 bear market where nearly every cryptocurrency in the market, including Bitcoin, dropped by 80+%? Yeah, well apparently that was fake news. And there really has never been a bear market for Bitcoin. This is according to one crypto analyst known as Dave the Wave. We'll just call him Dave. And this isn't simply positive thinking and self-actualization here. Dave suggests that this is the case due to the fact that the monthly MACD, which is an indicator that reveals changes in the strength and momentum of an asset, has always been in positive territory. So rather than any bear market, Dave suggests that Bitcoin has been perpetually ruled by the bulls in a secular market consisting of bullish and presumably slightly less bullish cycles. Now, you may be thinking this is a load of bullshit, excuse the pun, and to be fair, you'd have every right to. Because the pain of last year can't be undermined, and to call it a bull market seems insane. However, looking at this from a different perspective, it does actually make sense. And by a different perspective, I mean a logarithmic one. Because looking at Bitcoin's price movement in this way does actually provide a different point of view. Here we can see that Bitcoin has never really strayed from an upward trajectory. So regardless of where you stand on this point, it's still a pretty nice reminder of Bitcoin's strength as an investment. And looking at price movement like this logarithmically, it's easy to see why people are excited for the future. But speaking of less bullish cycles, one analyst believes we're edging towards one, citing the symmetrical triangle formation that Bitcoin is currently in, and stating that the formation will not be fulfilled because action would have priced in a move of this caliber already. And he goes on to suggest that instead we'll see a dump reminiscent of November 2018, which of course saw Bitcoin fall from around $6,000 to $3,000. However, with the ongoing macroeconomic uncertainties and with BACT launching next month, it's hard to envisage price going much lower from here. But having said that, I wouldn't be majorly opposed to picking up some cheap Bitcoin. Now, moving away from Bitcoin and onto altcoins and the alt markets, they've been pretty decimated recently, as we can see from the rise in Bitcoin dominance this year, which is citing an all-time high right now. But according to analyst Willy Woo, this may all be changing soon with an apparent respite for altcoins, which may even lead to an alt season. So Woo notes that after the recent carnage, alts may soon be on levels of support against BTC, which would allow some movements towards an alt season. And this week, we're seeing signs that alts are wanting to move up, with Ethereum Classic in particular, gaining upwards of 40% this week, seemingly in response to its hard fork, which is scheduled next month to improve stability. So some good progress happening there. Remember to check out my colleague, David Bourne, for some more Bitcoin and altcoin analysis. His latest video delves into where Bitcoin could be heading next, as well as altcoin's revival, which seems to be taking form. So check him out above. But that's all from me. Let us know what you thought in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you soon.